new sound. Have a listen. So yeah, it's kind of like when you... Gears. It's nothing to do with the gears. It's not the handbrake. It's not the steering. It stops when you're accelerating. So that horrific sound you just heard whilst driving around town, everyone looking. Not a good look, mate, not a good look. I thought it was exhaust at the start, just thinking it was rattling off the pan underneath or something. But I do believe I just left my elephant nozzle exposed to the blades of the alternator. And you get that noise. So that was fucking horrible. But fixed, nothing wrong. On with the day, Jesus Christ. Can I say just how nice Joni is looking against the council blue of the NIA? Trafalgar blue. Fancy, fancy pants. I like it.